Hi guys, welcome to the Save Your Money Show with me, your host Sean. Well, today we're going to be doing a game of what if. We're going to be discussing sgblocks, Peloton, and if we get time, some other stocks. Now, before I start, just wanted to say, for those of you who signed up via my links, thank you very much. But just a reminder, if you signed up to get the free share, you also have to fund your account. And let's get into it. So sgblocks, we have seen them run up quite a bit since I last recommended them, when they were purely a hurricane play, and we now see them. They're a green play because apparently there's hundreds of thousands of unused shipping containers, so recycling them. And you think the amount of trees that get cut up to make these buildings, as I've said before, I know in London there are a number of these so-called high-class hipster areas, like Box Park being one of them in Shoreditch, where they're just shipping containers that they've cleaned up, juiced some electric into them, and put a bit of plants around them and some seats, and charged amazingly high rents too. Now, they also have a contract to use them as mobile testing centres, dishing out COVID-19 testing kits and labs. They have also done different things, such as you see the Starbucks ones, you see the mobile homes, you see they have put solar panels on the top of them, and they have contracts with Blink charging. And I'm trying to find the one where they have a contract with the NBA in Africa. I'm not sure if I can find it here, but let me see if I can. They have a contract with Navy, the Army, and lots of sorry, it's a bit unprepared, but this is just supposed to be a bit of fun for Christmas. Now, you see this one here. They use shipping containers to do the sides to make it seem like a NBA, actual NBA pitch. And they have a contract with the NBA and in Africa, and they use it as a form of construction. And they it does actually look like a NBA pitch when you look at it. It's quite it's quite impressive, really. And when you see all the other ones like Starbucks and you know, what they come up with is quite genius, really. And to think that this is what they came from, and this is what they're going to. Now, it kind of has everything. It has EV play with Blink charging, has a solar play, has a green play by recycling, has no debt on its books, and it's a low price, because at the moment its balance sheet, it has 13 million on the balance sheet, but you know, it isn't making great profit. So, but I like the team, which is one of the reasons to get into it. I like the industries. It's doing something that other people are not doing. I like the fact that it's acquiring companies, you know, and I like the fact that it's partnering with massive companies, and they are doing something better for the environment. Now, here it is, the NBA opens training centre in Senegal. Now, look here. Now, I do think, and there's the solar panels, but I do think this is one for the future. When I first said it as a hurricane turnaround, it was $2. I didn't look into it enough to think it could be as big as this, but that just shows how good the team is behind it. Now we're going to look at the what if, and the what if is the next company. Hi guys, little plug here. Don't forget to hit that lovely like button and smash that sexy subscribe button. A lot sexier than me, trust me, ask the wife. Don't forget to comment in the box below. If you're looking for a free trading platform which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out the links in the description below. Freetrade are doing a promotion at the moment where if you sign up before the end of the year, you'll be entered into a free draw for what they call a stock hamper, where you can earn a Shopify, a Nike and a load of other stocks. So why not? Doesn't cost anything, just click the link, deposit £100, £100 and start investing. Anyway, let's get back to the video. And yes, it's Peloton buys Precore. Now, you don't realise that this has solved Peloton's biggest issue, in that couldn't keep up with demand for its treadmills and bikes. Now, as I said, the amount they paid for it, they could get back if they just sold the manufacturing plant. But of course, that would be no good to them. And then they could sell the name off. So if they was like a hedge fund wanted to break up a company, that would be the value. Now, the thing is, of course, they want the manufacturing plant, they want the manufacturing thing. If they wanted to hedge against gyms, then they could, this would be a hedge, because every gym has Precore items in there. Now, I've done my videos on sgblocks, I've done my videos on Peloton. This will catapult Peloton, in my opinion, and this will, if the gyms reopen, and I don't think the gyms will reopen, they'll be one of the last industries to reopen. Because before the Rona, gyms were found to be, there was a report come out that found gyms to be the most disease-ridden places. Like, you're more likely to catch disease in the gym than from a toilet. See, So I think they're going to be the last things to open up. But even if they do, then they would still get income from pre-core from the gyms. The second thing is that they're just going to grow so fast because of this. Now, the what if. Say, for instance, they announce you can open a gym as long as you only allow a certain amount of people into the gym. What if Peloton partner with sgblocks and what if they partner with sgblocks and they put one of these boxes with solar panels and all the Peloton equipment inside? So you could have a Starbucks, sgblocks. Next to it, you have sgblocks with Peloton, pop-up Peloton, and then you would have 2 or 3 people going in it. Of course, the gyms are made for like 50, 100 people, because that's the only way they can make money on all the machines that they invest in. With this, you could have these guys and the members would have an electronic key, or they would have a code, more likely electronic key, to get in. And I think that could be a next step for Peloton. However, I think it's a long way away, but you never know. That is why it's a what if. It is something in the future. but these are 2 companies that I think are going to do amazingly well. But I think 2021 are going to be amazing for both of them, regardless. But I just think it would make sense for them to come together in a partnership. If I was Peloton, I would even consider going to sgblocks, putting in an offer to buy them out on the condition that the team they have in there stay in place, because their market cap is so low at the moment. I've explained that in my previous video. I'd like to know your thoughts. Comment in the box below. I'll see you in the next video.